Hello everyone. So in this class we are going to learn how to calculate the member forces by using the method of section. So in method of section, the first step is you are going to determine all the support reaction in the truss. So if you have this particular truss, you are going to calculate the support reaction in it. So second line, second thing is whatever the forces you are supposed to calculate, based on that you are supposed to draw a section line to calculate only the member forces which is required. For example, if I have to calculate the member forces in BD, BE and BC, I would be drawing a section like this. I'll be drawing the line like this. Or else if I want to calculate here DF, EF and EG, I'll be drawing the section over here. So based on the member forces which you are going to calculate, you are supposed to draw the section line. Then you are going to consider the equilibrium of any one of these two parts, and you are going to calculate the unknown forces in the members cut by the section line. Then one thing you have to remember, whatever the section you are going to consider, that should be what minimum, maximum of 3 unknown should be there. Why? Because we have only 3 equilibrium of equations, that is we have only 3 equations of equilibrium, no? That's why we will be calculating or will be considering in such a way that we will be getting only 3 unknowns. Now in this particular problem we have to calculate the value of BD, member forces of BD, BE and CE. Okay, now since we have to calculate only these values, so I'll be going to draw a section across BD, BE and CE. Okay, so this would be my section. Now first step is what? We are going to calculate the reaction. No, so let us go for calculating the reaction. Now first you calculate the support reaction. So support reaction, summation of H is equal to 0 will calculate, that is HA plus 3 would be equal to 0. You will be getting HA is equal to what? Minus 3 kilonewton. Then summation of V you calculate. Summation of V is equal to 0, that is VA plus VH. So I'll be showing here HA and this is VA. Roller support, this is VH. Plus, minus 4 is there, is equal to 0. Then summation of moment about A is equal to 0 I'll be taking. So you have minus VH into 20 and this plus 4 into 50 and plus 3 into 5 is equal to 0. So if you are there about point A, you have 3 kilonewton at a distance of 5 meter and it is clockwise in nature. And if you go for 4, so for this particular force, perpendicular distance is 15, that is 5 plus 5 plus 15. You are going to consider only the perpendicular distance. Okay. So this is horizontal, perpendicular distance would be in the 90 degree here. When you have a force in this direction, perpendicular distance would be horizontal in nature. Correct. So you will be having VH is equal to what? 3.75 kilonewton. Substitute in this, you will be getting VA is equal to what? 0.25 kilonewton. Okay. Now we have all the support reaction. Now let us draw the section line like this. Okay, so this will be the section line. What I'll do, I'll be just erase all the other things here. So this will be my forces, no? So this is my section. This is FBD was there. Here this is FB F was there, here F, C, E was there. Okay, whatever the section line was there, I have just erased and I have written only the member forces here. Now, let us apply summation of H is equal to 0 for this. So, HA plus 3, this angle would be 45 degree because both the sides it is 5, no, 5, 5 it was there. So, theta will be equal to what? Tan inverse of 1, you will be getting theta is equal to 45 degree. So, this is plus FCE, then this is plus FBD, this is plus FBF cos 45 degree is equal to 0. Now let us write summation of all the vertical forces is equal to 0. You have VA minus FBF sin 45 degree. Then you have anything else is there. So only two vertical forces are there, no? So it will be 0. Now you can calculate FBE value, FBE, notice BE or BF. 1 minute. So yeah, this is BE. You have to calculate BE, no? So it is BE. You have done, yeah. FBE it is, sorry, it is BE because it is connected to E here, no? That's why. Okay, so FBE is equal to, you just calculate, it would be equal to 0.35 kilonewton. Then summation of MB is equal to 0, you consider. So, summation of MB is equal to 0 I will be considering. Why? Because I have to reduce the unknowns, no? Or else if you consider other things, it will be very difficult for you to calculate. That's why I'll be taking the moment about B is equal to 0 here. Okay. So, about B, if you consider, you will be having this HA is actually minus 3, perpendicular distance is 5. Now, if you are going to consider this particular moment about this point, this is actually anti-clockwise in nature. Okay, that's why I have considered negative here. And here minus 3, why I have written as HA is actually minus 3. And perpendicular distance from here to here it is 5. Then you have FC. This one is there, no? So you have HA is there and VA is also there, no? So VA into perpendicular distance, if you consider it as 5 minus FCE into 5 is equal to 0. So you will get FCE is equal to what? 3.25 kilonewton. Okay. So if you solve this equation, you will be getting FCE is equal to what? 3.25. After getting all this value, you will be getting FBD is equal to minus 3.49 kilonewton. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the method of section. If you want to calculate all the member forces, so you are supposed to take so many sections and you are supposed to repeat the particular procedure. Okay.